it's asking us to tell how many common tangents the circles have and draw them. Now, a common tangent is a line or a segment that is tangent to two coplanar circles. So, for example, in letter A, I can draw, I'm going to get a red here, I can draw a tangent line that can be tangent to both the circles like that. I could also draw another one that could be tangent to these two circles like that. I could draw another tangent on the outside that looks like that. And I can draw another tangent on the outside here that looks like this. So this has 4 common tangents. And just like the directions said, I did the internal tangents in red and I did the external tangents in blue. So I know that these ones in red are common internal tangents because they intersect that line that would connect the two centers of the circle. So it's not a bad idea to draw that line that connects the two centers so that you can do that comparison. Okay, so let's look at this here. So here is part B. There's the line that intersects the two centers. That'll help me determine whether it's an external or internal tangent. Okay, so we can see that these two circles are connected. So I can actually draw a tangent right through the center like that. That would be an internal tangent. And then again, just like on the last one, we can have these external tangents. Kind of hard to draw them nicely. Do the best you can. Here's an external tangent, and then here's another external tangent. So this one has 3 common tangents, 2 of which are external, 1 is internal. Okay, so let's look at part C. In part C, if I connect the centers like this, there you go. One thing about common internal tangents is that they cannot go through the circle, right? So there's no way that I could connect 2 tangents like down the middle here to intersect this segment that joins the centers without going through the circle. So in this problem, there's no internal tangents, but we still have those external tangents out here on the outside. So again, imagine there were 2 points here and you connected them for these 2 coplanars. So this has 2 common tangents. And it is possible to figure out how many common tangents you have without drawing them. Okay? So looking at number 3 here, in number 3, this one's going to have 4 common tangents. So I'm not going to redo that. It's pretty much the same thing. On number 4 here, these are your 2 centers of your circles like this. And on this problem here, you're only going to have 1 common tangent. The common tangent, it's going to be, these 2 circles intersect at this 1 point. So that tangent's going to go through that 1 point. So on this problem here, there's only 1 common tangent, and it happens to be external. In number 5, these are what we call concentric circles. Concentric circles will have no points of intersection. Therefore, there's no way that you can draw a common tangent between the 2 because they don't, because one is literally inside the other. So remember, if you were to draw one, if you tried to draw one here, it would go through the circle. And in order to draw a tangent, it cannot go through the circle. So this is a problem that has 0 common tangents. So I hope those few examples have helped you, and best of luck with your practice on this.